All right, guys, this is part 3, little boys. I only have 7 items, but they're really cute. The first one's 6 months. It says Zaccanelli Kids. It's 100% cotton coveralls. This is going to be 22. There's no snaps on the bottom. So cute. Has a little airplane. Excellent condition. Super sweet. That one is number 1, that's 22. All right, number 2 is my favorite of the lot. This will be 17. This little goose cute thing. Little vintage sunsuit for boys. And this is not 6 months. This is definitely going to be like, here we go, 6 to 12 months. It's tagged 18 months, but it's definitely small. It's probably washwear, and that is number 2. Let me show you the back. And that's 6 to 12 months, 17. All right. Number 3 is 12 months. These cute John Deere overalls. That's number 3, 12 months, 17, 100% cotton, excellent condition, little John Deere logo. Next ones are Carter's corduroy, 12 months. I can tell it's Carter's because it has the buttons. No tags, but it's about 12 months. It's the same size as the John Deere. That is 12 months. Also 17. If you want, you could do both of them for 30. Just let me know. That was number 4. Sorry. Let's do that again. I'm getting really tired. All right. And my brain's not working. There you go. 12 months, 17. That's number 4. And that is a monkey and a rhinoceros. Very casual. Number 5, I have these ones in 24 months. These are 12 to 18 months, McKids. I also have these in 24 months. Super cute. McKids overalls, 17. Super cute. Really good condition. All right, this next one's about 18 months, so it doesn't have any tags. Let's do this as an $8 add-on. Super cute, what, newsboy hat? I don't know what you call these. And this one is number 6. Super cute. I think this would look really great with that little jumper, but it's a little big. All right. And number 7, this is going to be 8 to 10 years, not 8 to 12. This is number 7, and it's this rad Levi's jacket. It says, "Give Earth a chance." Good jeans, super rad. Number 7, and I'm gonna do this for 27, even though I think it's worth a lot more. I just cannot find my other price thing. Right, excellent condition. All right, guys, message me, comments, take screenshots, let me know what you're interested in. Bundle things to get a deal. Make sure you don't pass up this little goose thing, this little airplane, the hat. Got McKids overalls, Carter's overalls, little John Deere. And the coolest jacket that's ever been made, 8 to 10 years. All right, guys, have a great weekend.